Very good morning to all of you. Now today we'll study set 17 and we'll solve the sum based on the supplementary angle. What is the sum of the measures of supplementary angle? 180 degree. So keeping that concept, we'll solve the sum. So if the measure of one angle is given, you have to find the supplement of other angle, just minus 180 minus the given angle, you will get the required answer. So we will be starting with the sum. So first sum it is 15 degree it is given. So we will write, let the measure of supplementary angle be x degree. So 15 plus x is equal to 180 because 15 it is given. So now subtracting 15 from both the side, you will get as, now this 15 and this 15 will get cancelled. You will get as 180 minus 15 as 165. So the measures of supplement of an angle of 15 degrees is 165. You can do by this way or directly you can do 180 minus 15. Then no need to write this step, subtracting 15 from both the side. Next sum it is, the measure of given angle is 85. You have to find the supplement of this. So first write this 85 plus x 180 because the sum of the measures of two angle is 180 degree. Subtracting 85 from both the side, you will get x is equal to 95 because 180 minus 85 is 95. So therefore the measures of supplement of an angle of 85 degree is 95. Now the third and fourth sum I have not done. Now I have done the sum as sixth sum. So it is 0 degree it is given. So we will write, let the measure of supplementary angle be x. So 0 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180. Any number, if it is subtracted with the 0, you will get that number. Now 180 minus 0 is 180. So the measures of supplement of an angle of 0 degree is 180 degree. Now the seventh sum, what is a measure given? It is a degree it is given. So we will write, let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Therefore, a plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus a. So, therefore, the measure of supplementary of a is equal to 180 minus a. Now, come to the question number 2. It is the measures of some angles are given. You have to make the pair and write supplementary and complementary. So, the few sums I have done. B is 60 and n is 30. So, if you add it, you will get 90. So, this forms a pair of complementary angles. And further it is B it is 60, then G it is 120. So this forms a supplementary angles. One more I have done, N and J. What is N? It is 30 and J is 150. So it forms a supplementary angles. We have to add it and we have to see whether it forms a supplementary or a complementary. In a similar way, measure angle Y is 90 degree and E is 0. So 90 plus 0 what? It will be 90. So this forms a complementary angles. So whatever the answers I am not given, so that I will give you. Now next is question number 3. It is given y is 90 degree in triangle xyz. So what kind of pair does x and z make? What is the property of the measures of the angles of the triangle? It is 180 degree. So you will write measure angle x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So what is x you don't know, y you know, z you don't know, equal to 180. So 90 shift this side. So 180 minus 90 comes 90. So these two, the sum of these two makes 90. So it is a pair of the complementary angles. Now the next sum it is given the difference between the measures of two angles of complementary is 40. So if the measure of one angle is x, what will be the measure of other angle? It will be x plus 40. Correct. So because the difference it is 40. So one is x, then other will be x plus 40. So like this you will be writing. So 2x plus 40 90 degree. Then this 40 will come this side. So 90 minus 40. Then I will solve it here. So what you will get is x is 25. It is as the measure of both the angles. So x is 25. So what will be the other angle? Will be 25 plus 40. So you will get 65. So last answer I have written. Next it is a fifth sum. It is said to write the pairs of supplementary angles. Now what is the property of the rectangle? Of the angle of a rectangle, each angle measures 90 degree. So you can take as adjacent angle P and M. It is here. You can take P and T also because these are the adjacent angle and 90 plus 90 becomes 180. So like this I have done. Now sixth sum it is given. So it is asked to find what is the measure of the supplement of complement of A. So first find the complementary angle of 70 degree. What you will get? 20 degree. Then of this you have to find the supplementary angle. So it will be 180 minus 20, you will get 160. Step I have written, you can copy down from the slide. Next it is 7th, it is given A and B are the supplementary angles and measure angle B is equal to x plus 20. What will be the measure angle A? So it is, we have written, let the measure of the supplementary angle of B. You want to find the supplement of B na, so it is written as A. So you know the angle of the measure of angle B is this, and the measure of angle A, it is written as A only. Then what you will do, so 180 A will be what? So this will be shifted this side. So it will come as 180 minus 20 and minus x. So 180 minus 20 you will get 160 minus x. So this is the last answer.